Alright, we're gonna go into a land far, far away. Star Wars trading post. Ray used to fly that. Let's go in, take a look. I see helmets. You wanna buy me that helmet, Ma? That's Archie doing yoga. Porgs. Lots and lots of porgs. Little porgs. He's a porg. What are you doing in the middle of porgs? Get out of there. Alright, I finally made it to the land far, far away. No, it's a galaxy far, far away. I can't remember where I left my X-Wing though. If you see it, tell me.